to your computer. So those yellow port, they call it local network. Those are to the internet service. This is what you use. So if one like this go bad, you not be able to use this one, but there's a solution on that, and that's what I want to show you. Back in this video, I'm going to show you a solution for your modem router. The three-way network came to your building. It can be through a phone line, like the one you see here. This is modem. It came through network came through the phone line. As you can see, the type of the cable you have here, and I don't see this a lot anymore, but this is the way it used to be. It may be a part of the world they're still using the phone line, and that's what 15 years ago they used to be. That's how it used to come to your building. So this where you're supposed to connect the phone here, the phone line, you go here, and then the internet service can come through this cable. So when you're talking, if you're online using the internet, you not be able to use the phone. And if you're using the phone, you not be able to use the internet. That's the way it used to be. So the phone line used to come separate, and then the internet used to come separate. But as you can see here, the type of the cable you need to this modem is this one. So you cannot use a different cable. As you can see here, this is where the RJ45 go. This one to go to your computer. That's the way it's supposed to be. A long time ago, that's how it used to be, how you get internet service through this modem. But it's not longer being used right now. So I'm going to show you another issue you can run into. So when the internet service run the cable to your building, it can be through this RJ45, which is an Ethernet cable or network cable. So this port, the one you see, the blue one, that's the one it get you outside of your building. So this one it go to a company line, and that's how you're supposed to connect. But let's say, so another time also, it can be coming through the one you see here. This is like a TV cable. This is a coaxial cable where you're supposed to connect. As you can see, those two, if one of these go bad, you have to buy the same because of the company has only the cable like this. But there's a solution, and that's what I want to show you today. If you have a cable like this, but you want to connect the one it just use the internet cable like the one I have here, there's another solution you can do. What I have here, the small piece, the cable you see here, the one end is RJ45, which is Ethernet cable. The other one is what you can see here is like the TV cable. Here you can connect. So this is a cable that came from the company. You can buy this one. So as you see here, right now you'll be able to connect the one. So now you can connect the network, the TV cable to RJ45 port. And that's the solution I want to show you. So you can use those same cable on one internet. So you'll be able to use this. You can buy that piece. It's allow you to connect this piece, and that's what you are looking for. So you don't have to stuck on one company. Yeah, as you can see right here, this is how it's supposed to be. Thank you.